Hello everyone, welcome to Philiandkids. Thank you for joining me today. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you about birds. I'll tell you the definition of birds and types of bird you know. Okay? So, first is circle time. Are you ready? Ready. In circle time today, I'll be teaching you a new rhyme called train. Are you ready? Train is moving, sit on your seat. Now grab a seat, sit on your seat. Listen to the train engine, ginger, jiggy. You know that's how train makes sound, right? Train is moving, sit on your seat, Listen to the train engine, ginger, jiggy. Welcome back. Birds are animals with 2 legs, feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. We'll take that again. Birds are animals with 2 legs, feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. Pretend you have a feather and a wings and beak and tail. So let's go. Birds are animals with 2 legs, feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. Now these are types of birds. We have here vulture, owl, eagle, hawk, falcon, kite, turkey, peacock, cock, partridge, quail, peahen, pheasant, hen, guinea fowl, kiwi, rhea, emu, ostrich, hornbill, penguin, woodpecker, hoopoe, cuckoo, kingfisher, bee-eater, cardinal, kookaburra, hummingbird, and flycatcher. These are all types of birds. Next week, I'll be teaching you about sea animals. So get prepared because we are going to the sea to visit the sea animals. Okay, until next week, see you. Bye-bye.